What up, everybody? All right, we're back here for part 2. We just got the second set of wheels done. So they're gonna be like this, and then like this on the rails. So I just measured the rails. They are 16 inches across. So we're gonna cut this metal bar right here at 16 inches, which I believe is this mark right here. We are going to get rid of the burr that's on this thing right now. So let's grind it. All right, so the bird. So there'd be like a bolt right here where this is on and it pivots on whatever that is, which is with a small square tubing I got. I think that could work. Because I could I could have a bolt going across like so, and then I could have it welded, I guess, shut, with a long bar right here that's split into 3 sections right here and right here. And that's what's connected to this. You know what? I'm gonna do that. That could work. Let's figure that out. Ah, my genius astounds even me. No, not really. If this works, I'll be actually surprised. So we got this guy here. So what I'm talking about is we get this bar right here, weld it on blah, blah, blah. We get the bar, weld it here, and then cut it right there and right there. That way it could pivot, which I think will work. And then once you get a threaded rod, I'll literally just weld it. I don't really care. I'll just tack it on, weld it, and it's permanent. It's good. So yeah, let's do that. That seems like a smart idea. Give me my magical marker. And now this will be the permanent length for these guys here. Is about right there. I can barely see this mark, but that's okay. Wish I had my Sharpie. It's all right. Ah, it's seeable. Now you're cackling. It's very serious work we're doing here. So you're gonna do it. You're gonna have this clamp like this, holding it. All bare metal, okay?
On just both of these?
Yep. Whew. Now that one's not going anywhere. So now, I get these all threads through these holes. That's all we're gonna do. And it's just because there's still burr on it, so I can't really get them all the way. Because they are the correct size. They just don't go through the fucking thing. There it goes. And there. See? So we'll make this a little bit smaller on the grinder. We're gonna do both of these sides right now. Because maybe if we cut this to length, we should be good. So all we gotta do is cut this in half, because we're gonna weld one side. That way it doesn't come out, you just slide everything in place. So we'll weld this side because this is the front, I guess.
So you're just gonna cut it in the half first?
Yeah. So
You want me to go get that grinder from inside the truck, or you just using this?
I'll use the bench grinder right there is all.
The bench grinder?
Yeah, the bench grinder.
To cut that in half?
Yeah, why not? This is what I did before I had that chop saw. We have them cut down to size. They're not identical sizes, but hey, if you don't have a chop saw, you can use a grinder, cut it like that. It's a little bit of a love tap. There we go. And then because it's caved in like that, I can have a good weld on it. All right, that should be good. Cool. That's what they look like now. All right, I have already previously marked these things. We have the arrow right here. That's the very edge of this bar right here. So pretty much it's gonna go up here like this, and we're gonna have that much remaining. And we're gonna weld it. Something.
Welded now?
Yeah, I'll try at least. This looks pretty centered as best as I can get. So we're gonna weld it, a little tack weld. Boop. What I just did by only zapping it right there, is I did a tack weld. So it's not permanent. I can easily break it off if I want to if it's not right. So I'm gonna do it on this one too. Son of a bitch.
And then you're just gonna test to see if it's gonna work like that?
If it doesn't, I can easily just snap it off with my hands and then try again. 3, 2, 1. Zap. If I turn this way, it hits. Because what's going to happen is there's going to be a piece right here so I can turn like this, and then there's going to be another piece over here so I can go like this. So this is a 3-dimensional track so far. Look, I can throw it on here and it's not going to fall off. Nice. Well, that's going kind of fast. That's cool. We have the wheels, and they're not falling off.
That's fun.
They're definitely unscrewing themselves, but that's about it. All right, so track. The front wheels are done. So like I said before, as it goes up a hill, it can move up, or it goes down a hill, it can move down. and then it can compensate left and right after we break it off like that.
So, that's actually broken off now.
Well, that's just a tack weld. All right. We have learned, and now we're going to put it on permanently. So I'll hold this steady. Now just throw it.
Right here?
Yeah, just throw it. So now, like I said before, see how much this moves?
Yeah.
This will allow the tracks to go up and down. And then, oh, this is going to twist itself off just now. And then, next part to build is either the yawing motion, because we have the pitch right now, or because we have yaw, pitch, and roll. So this is roll actually. This will be yaw going left and right, but that's for up here. So I don't know. I think this might be fine with just 2 axes so far, but I do like this motion right here. So I think the next step is to figure out where the middle is right here and put a block here to extend out, and then we have the rolling motion.
I do want to know, are you going to be welding them all right now?
No. Just because I don't know if I like this design. But for now, we have the rolling motion done for the wheels. Or what? Not roll. Sorry, we have pitch because we can go up and down. So yeah, that's not too bad for this one. What do you think? Slowly building it, just taking a couple hours at a time for how tedious this is. It's a lot of grinding, welding, grinding, welding, grinding, welding. What do you think?
I think I'm happy it's finally done with the first.
But now, when we build the cart, because we'll have to get the Maserati little car in here to build the frame. And the back wheels should be really fast because we've already built these. I think we're just going to build identically to this, but we're not going to have this bar here. We're just going to have a solid bar going across, like that gray one over there, and just call it good. And we'll still have the little side wheels here. And then I might be on that one, but we'll have a piece of metal that comes down here and angles right here, so it can't fly up. I think that's a good safety feature. Cool, let's clean up.
All done?
Yep, thanks for watching. Goodbye.